guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very easy recipe how to make keto sugar-free lemon curd. This recipe is so easy, tastes like the real thing, and it's so versatile. You can use it in yogurts, in keto cheesecake, smoothies, however you want. So let me show you this quick and easy recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start off by cracking 4 eggs into a pot on the stove without putting the stove on. Next, you're going to add in a sweetener of your choice. I'm using xylitol. You can use stevia, erythritol, whatever you like. So I'm using a half a cup of xylitol. Just add that into your pot. Now we're just going to mix that without turning your heat on. Next, you're going to take 2 lemons, 2 to 3, maybe 3 medium size, 2 large lemons. I've used 2 lemons, and you're going to need the zest of 2 lemons and the juice of the same lemon. So squeeze your lemons and go ahead and pour in your lemon juice into your pot. Okay guys, once you've done that, add in 100 grams of butter into your pot. And now we are going to turn the heat on medium heat. And you're just going to start stirring. And continuously stirring. You will continue stirring till the mixture thickens and your butter melts, but in the meantime you can add in your lemon zest. I have the lemon zest of 2 lemons here, so I'm just going to add that in. And just continue stirring. Remember guys, just keep stirring till the mixture thickens up. It's quite liquidy at the moment, so it takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but carry on stirring. It's so worth it because you can do a lot with lemon curd. You can use it in keto yogurts, keto cheesecakes, whipped cream, keto cream. You could eat it out of a jar if you wanted and blend it into a smoothie. Just have fun with this recipe, and plus it's sugar free and it's low carb, it's diabetic friendly. It's perfect. So I highly recommend this recipe. It's quick and easy, except the stirring part, but that's not too bad. But let's just keep stirring till the mixture thickens. Look guys, our mixture has thickened nicely, and you'll test it with a spoon. If it sticks to the back of a spoon, yes, then you know it's ready. That's it. Now you're going to remove from the heat once it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. and we'll move on to the next step. I'm going to take this off the heat now. Lemon curd off the heat, it's quite thick, and now I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar. You can put it into a container of your choice and then refrigerate it. Makes quite a large portion. You can distribute it between a few little glass jars or one big large glass. Got quite a lot remaining, so I'm going to transfer the rest into another little container. Look at that, guys. Lovely, delicious lemon curd. You gotta try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, share the video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.